Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. I'm pretty excited to have received one of these Meguiar's car wash snow cannon kits. So today we're going to be unboxing it, having a look at what's in the kit, and then giving our Audi A3 a wash with it to see how the kit performs. So let's get into it. So just looking at the exterior of the case, obviously I've got the Meguiar's car wash snow cannon kit. It says that it comes with a full-size 473ml bottle of the Meguiar's Gold Class Premium Car Wash. It says on the box that you can choose from two different methods, either the foam method or the lather method. The foam method is when you've got a lightly dirty vehicle, or the lather method is when you've got a moderately to heavy dirty vehicle. I'm going to go with the foam method and see how that goes on the Audi today. And then it gives a quick description of the actual foam cannon foaming unit itself. We'll get into that when we unbox and actually use it. But importantly, it says it's got 3 different adapters included with the kit. So it's got a quarter quick connect, a Karcher K series, which I'm going to use with my Karcher today, and a Gurney steel connect. So let's open it up and see what we've got in this kit. All right, so we've got the bottle here. Looks like a fairly generic bottle, but it does have very easy to use markings, 100ml increments up to 1 litre. So put that down there. We've got our bottle of Gold Class Meguiar's car wash, as it said on the box. We've got our actual trigger adapter here. Let's just take that out of the bubble wrap. Now this actually feels like quite a quality heavy duty unit. You can see on top we've got the foam adjuster, and then here we've got the fan adjuster for the nozzle. So feels like quite a solid unit, that. And then also in the box we've got our 3 different adapters, as it was written on the outside of the box. So just looking at the adapter supplied in the kit closer, you can see the kits actually come with the 1/4 inch quick connect already attached to the nozzle. And then they've actually got 3 extra adapters inside the bag. So let's have a quick look. Obviously it's got the extra roll of thread seal tape, which wasn't actually written on the box, but will be useful in ensuring a good seal on those connectors. We've got the Karcher series connect. Now I'm actually going to be using that with my Karcher pressure cleaner. We've got the steel Gurney connector, and then they've actually given an extra little 1/4 inch, I'd say it's a 1/4 inch little adapter, so you can use with other types of pressure cleaners adapters. Now on the website they do say there's a link to where you can get other adapters for other pressure cleaners. I'll see if we can research that, and I'll put a link in the description to the video as well. So let's get this existing 1/4 inch quick connect off. Just using my Knipex pliers there. If you don't have a set of those, go and get yourself a set of those. They are by far the best multi-grip pliers. Now just looking at this, it actually has a rubber O-ring in there. In fact, it had a rubber O-ring on that 1/4 inch quick connect, so I don't think we actually need to use the thread seal tape with the Karcher adapter. I think that's if you're using that other adapter, the 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch, which does not have a rubber O-ring on it. So for now I'm just going to put the Karcher adapter straight on. If it does leak, then we'll use some thread seal tape, but I think that O-ring there will stop that leaking. And as I said, these Knipex or Knipex German multi-grips are just the best pliers. There we go, just snug that up nice like that. Fantastic. Now depending on whether you've got a 1600 or a 2900 PSI pressure cleaner, the instructions recommend 2 different quantities. If you've got a 1600 pressure cleaner like I've got, it recommends 100ml of Meguiar's Gold Class car wash with 900ml of water in the snow cannon. If you've got the 2900 PSI pressure cleaner, it recommends 50ml of the Gold Wash cleaner to 450ml of water. So let's add that now. As I said, I've got the 1600 PSI, so we're going with 100ml of car wash to 900ml of water. So as you can see, we put a 100ml of that Meguiar's Gold Class car wash in the snow foam cannon. So now we'll fill the rest of the bottle up with water. All right, so let's give the snow foam cannon a test run. All right, so obviously that looks a little bit watery, so we're gonna have to adjust the air to snow volume. So let's do that using the knob on the top. There we go. So obviously that has got a lot more snow coming out now, so let's clean the whole car. As you can see, we've sufficiently snow foamed the car, so the instructions say to wait 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll pressure clean it off and see what the results are. So to assist with the drying process, the instructions today then to just tip a bucket of clean water over the vehicle. And folks, check out the end result. Look how stunning the Audi is looking after using the foam method of the Meguiar's snow foam kit cannon on this vehicle. Car's absolutely shining, and as you saw, that was pretty easy. Just spray the foam on and then rinse it off with the high pressure cleaner. Too easy. Look at that. So there you go, folks. That's my unboxing and review of the Meguiar's car wash snow foam cannon kit. As you can see, that was really easy to wash this Audi here today on that foam wash method. And you can see the car's just come out absolutely stunningly good. So there you go, folks. If you have liked the video, do feel free to like it, share it. On the channel, you'll find other reviews and maintenance on my Audi, Mercedes and Mazda. If you're interested in those, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, have a good evening.